Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe video update. Okay, it's not surprised that Pepe is actually moving up here, and as I told you before, if you're looking to come down and take this stop loss, then you might be looking for another retest down there. But this pretty much went up, moved sideways. You've made a bullish rectangle right over there. I'm going to tell you that at the technical target out of this bullish rectangle, you take the top there to the bottom, and you're looking for Pepe to basically come up to 14,480. Now, if you are a fan, and by the way, if you're new to this channel, follow it because you might not see this channel again. Haven't I be able to tell you before that Pepe in the future, I do see it making this channel, and we were actually down in this box when I talked about Pepe. So inside the box, inside this zone, I told you that in the future I do expect Pepe to break above this resistance and actually come up here for a dirty retest. I do have a video called Dirty Retest, and it was all about me telling you that I don't see Pepe going down. Number one, I see Pepe coming down like this and the RSI moving up, and there was a bullish divergence. If I do show you that scenario once again, this was where the bullish divergence was happening when Pepe was moving to the downside. Another thing is, I gave you the channel that was being made right over there, and I told you, yeah, if you're not going to be breaking out, you're going to get rejected and go down. But I was looking forward to see if this is going to break above. And a lot of people have their stop losses set right over there. And I told you this. And the reason being is, you see, when you add this one support here, you broke down aggressively. You never back tested this trend line. And it might be very, very realistic to see Pepe to come up to that trend line, take the stop loss as well, and we're talking about 15,500 as well. Okay, and that's it for this very quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.